See, I'll tell you, if you mix entire India and ask about the scenario, it's a different from different part of India. If you ask about NCR, definitely nationally the scenario is bit not in positive direction. But if you ask about NCR, if you ask about Mumbai, or if you ask about Chennai or South India, there is a big difference in today's context. NCR is bit better. Mumbai is still to pick it up, and South is, I would say that not better than these two. So overall scenario of real estate is a bit slow. See, market correction depends on a lot of things. Today, if you go to monetary policy is definitely not favoring real estate sector. Again, if you go for the inflation, it is also against the growth of real estate. If you talk about the lending rate of different, financing institutions in India, that is also not favorable. So in these cases, what I would like to say that correction is bound to happen, but because real estate market in India is already on the edge, so we don't expect much of correction, but there would be a lesser demand and supply gap. Definitely residential, because of the IT problems globally, because of industry is not having a very good growth. So because of all these reasons, only residential sector is performing better as of today. See, today our focus is to educate the consumer. We need to redress the problem of the consumer. So consumer awareness is the main focus. And secondly, we need to regulate this sector ourselves, because till today India doesn't have any perfect norm, regulations and regulator. So we are focusing on self-regulation, transparency, and educating developer as well to have a good interaction, good coordination, good support to the consumer. See, we have been struggling since 1990 and 2001. We just came out from the evolution phase. Now we are in transition phase, and we have lot of effort from CREDAI side to get the industry organized. We have also of late we have been organizing till today, but even still there is a long way to go. But I think within a few years it would be totally organized.